It's a quick video on changing the downstream oxygen sensor on a 2006 Chevy Colorado. It's a pretty simple change out. You're going to need a couple of quick things. First of all, you're going to need a oxygen sensor socket. It has a slit in the side to be able to pass the wire through to access the nut of the sensor very easily. Obviously your oxygen sensor, breaker bar, because it's going to be pretty difficult to pop loose to begin with, and a ratchet. The oxygen sensor is located on the passenger side under the vehicle, just behind the catalytic converter. It's fairly easy access here. The truck's on the ground, not jacked up at all, easy to get to. Right there, and then a simple electrical connection right there. So all we're going to do is pop that loose, use our oxygen sensor socket to break that free and unscrew it, put the new one in, torque it down, snap the connector back in, we'll be finished. Very easy. So let's get started. Right, just for demonstration purposes, this is our new oxygen sensor. Got a little protective cap on it. We'll take that off when we're ready to install. But here's the oxygen sensor socket with the opening on one side. So what you'll do while the sensor is installed, you'll slide that over the cable down the sensor, and then you're able to torque it in and out. So we're going to get under the car and take the old one out right now.